the only equipment you need is a Collins glass. The object of the move is to throw the Collins glass off the...
What we need is one mixing tin, one pouring spout, store and pour.
Hang on a sec, can you sort your trousers out? Look at your belt.
Go on, pull yourself together.
Sorry, I just went to the loo.
Throw the Collins over my shoulder and catch it into my left hand, like so. Spill half of it down my arm. And the object of the move is to throw one glass behind your back, catch it, and then you follow up immediately with the second drink, exchange, and bring them back out in front of you, like so.
Hi, I'm Steve Smith from the Haymarket store. The name of this move is, I have no idea because I didn't ask Ray a minute ago.
Start from scratch? Right.
This is a master bartender level. To do this, all we need is one bottle.
We need in there.
Oh yeah, shoulder, hand,
Shoulder, land.
shoulder, land on hand. Shoulder, land on hand. Okay? Shoulder, land on hand.
Not it, what land on hand?
Shoulder, land on hand. Land on hand. Yeah, okay. Right, this is shoulder, hand, land. Cool, shoulder, land, hand. Right, okay. Number 12, this is called the shoulder, land, hand. Okay. Ready? Okay. Shoulder, land on hand, easy.
You just lift the bottle up slightly, just enables you to spin it 540 degrees, and then into a vogue pour. But not like that.
Hi, I'm Steve Smith from the Tgi Fridays in Haymarket. It's Red Bull, mate. I'm fired up like a traction engine.
Is that all right?